and let's start doing some. So I on the follow-up blitz the other day, I only made 3 calls on the follow-up blitz, and I had to run to another meeting and all this stuff, and I have all the excuses, but it was easier not to do the 3 than it was to do the 3. And one of those was an appointment that I have next week. And so we have to, go out there and do that. So if things are straight and you got fires that you're putting out, still do something, right? It would have been easy for me to be like, it's busy, I'm going to do nothing. And we all have made that choice, right? I've done that before. I've been like, let me just focus on account management. But if you agree with yourself to make calls ahead of time when you are of sound mind, right? It's easier to plan all the stuff you're going to do tomorrow, right? And it's easy for some of y'all like, you know what, next week, Mr. Source, oh man, I'm on it. Next week, I'm about to kill this thing. Nah, today, let's make some calls today. Who can you call today? What business can you talk to today? What business do you do business with that you can reach out today? They can ask them that you want to run something by them. Sell through people, not to people. Have fun with the business. I want everyone to make a decision today to do something. Make one call. That one call is better than that one call today is worth 5 calls on Monday. That one call today, that future activity, because it's not just about the call. And you may get voicemail. You may not reach somebody. It's about you believing, you impacting yourself. You believing in yourself that the next level is coming for you. You believing in yourself that I can do this. That I picked up the phone. Even if that one call knocks you out. Right? That one call, like, you're like, oh man, I did it. Family. It's a step in the right direction. The book of the month, I'm part of Team New Vision. The book of the month is lighter. And it talks about being aware of your emotions, being aware of what you're feeling and what you're going through. And so you have to take that time. And I'm Sapphire right now, and I'm committing to you all. I'm going to be Emerald by the end of 2020. So I'm putting myself out there. I'm going to be Emerald